Learn Hindi through funny English stories, belief, hope, truth and
मतलब
welcome to today's Hindi adventure. Hey, you are here, and that already makes you smarter than yesterday. Today you will learn 5 powerful Hindi sentences through a tiny comedy of waiting, shopping, truth, and one suspicious machine. Our cast is simple. One person waits dramatically at the door. Another checks the clock like it owes money. A shopper sees a price tag and nearly faints. A group of friends becomes truth detectives. And finally, one genius points at a machine and insists it actually works. By the end, you will know how to say,
मेरा मानना है कि वो आज आ रहा है। मुझे आशा है कि तुम्हारे पास समय है। वो कहती है कि यह महंगा है। हम जानते हैं कि यह सच है।
and.
उसका मतलब है कि यह काम करता है।
Scene 1. The Door of Hope. Picture this. You have been waiting all day like the hero of a very low-budget movie. The tea is ready, the door is ready, even the neighbor is emotionally invested. You look at the calendar, point at today, and declare,
मेरा मानना है कि वो आज आ रहा है।
that means, I believe that he is coming today. Break it into chunks.
मेरा मानना है
Means, I believe.
कि
Means, that.
वो आज आ रहा है।
Means, he is coming today. Now say it again with drama, like someone who has checked the window 17 times.
मेरा मानना है कि वो आज आ रहा है।
Funny memory trick. Imagine even the dog sitting by the door, thinking.
वो आज आ रहा है।
The dog is not sure who he is, but the dog believes in snacks. Scene 2. The busy friend mystery. Now you want to call a friend, but you do not want to sound like a time-stealing goblin. So you begin politely. You say,
मुझे आशा है कि तुम्हारे पास समय है।
meaning, I hope that you have time. Useful words inside the sentence.
आशा
Means, hope.
समय
Means, time. Try the full line again, as if you were sending a polite message instead of dropping into someone's day like a surprise marching band.
मुझे आशा है कि तुम्हारे पास समय है।
Mini dialogue. A. Can we talk later? B.
मुझे आशा है कि तुम्हारे पास समय है।
Memory image. A giant clock wearing a smile says,
समय
while your heart says,
आशा
strange image, yes. Memorable image, also yes. Scene 3. The expensive potato crisis. You are now in a market. Everything smells amazing, looks beautiful, and costs about the same as a small moon. A woman checks the price and says,
वो कहती है कि यह महंगा है।
this means, she says that it is expensive. Key chunk.
महंगा
Means, expensive. Very useful when your wallet starts trembling. Repeat the full sentence.
वो कहती है कि यह महंगा है।
Now imagine she picks up one tiny potato, sees the price, and whispers like a philosopher facing reality.
यह महंगा है।
Contrast helps memory. Expensive is.
महंगा
Cheap is.
सस्ता
If you find.
सस्ता
Celebrate quietly. Do not scare the shopkeeper. Scene 4. The truth detectives. Now the friends gather. Someone heard a rumor. Someone saw something. Someone brought evidence, which is mostly screenshots and confidence. After checking the facts, everyone agrees.
हम जानते हैं कि यह सच है।
That means, we know that this is true. Important piece.
सच
Means, true, or, truth. Say the full sentence with calm certainty.
हम जानते हैं कि यह सच है।
Mini dialogue. A. Is the rumor real? B.
हम जानते हैं कि यह सच है।
Memory image. A giant glowing sign in the sky says.
ये सच है।
Dramatic? Yes. Effective? Also yes. Scene 5. The machine that finally behaves. At last, we meet the final boss of daily life. A machine that refuses to work until everyone is already tired. One person points at it and explains.
उसका मतलब है कि यह काम करता है।
Meaning, he means that it works. Key words.
मतलब
Means, meaning, or, means.
काम करता है।
Means, works. Repeat it.
उसका मतलब है कि यह काम करता है।
Short useful form.
ये काम करता है।
It works. Funny image. Imagine a toaster giving a speech and a translator says,
उसका मतलब है कि यह काम करता है.
Finally, the bread believes in technology again. Quick drill time. Now you do the work. Do not panic, this is the fun part. I say the English, and you try the Hindi in your head before the answer arrives. I believe that he is coming today.
मेरा मानना है कि वो आज आ रहा है.
I hope that you have time.
मुझे आशा है कि तुम्हारे पास समय है.
She says that it is expensive.
वो कहती है कि यह महंगा है.
We know that this is true.
हम जानते हैं कि यह सच है.
He means that it works.
उसका मतलब है कि यह काम करता है.
One tiny story, all 5 sentences. Let us glue everything together in one silly story, because the brain loves stories almost as much as it loves snacks. You are waiting for a guest and staring at the door. You say,
मेरा मानना है कि वो आज आ रहा है.
You text your friend for help and add.
मुझे आशा है कि तुम्हारे पास समय है.
Then your sister sees the price of snacks and complains.
वो कहती है कि यह महंगा है.
You check the receipt and announce.
हम जानते हैं कि यह सच है.
Finally, the broken tea machine starts bubbling, and the family engineer says,
उसका मतलब है कि यह काम करता है.
Congratulations! Your Hindi chapter now contains belief, hope, shopping pain, truth, and mechanical victory. Friendly conclusion. You did it. Seriously, that was excellent work. Today you practiced 5 complete Hindi sentences.
मेरा मानना है कि वो आज आ रहा है. मुझे आशा है कि तुम्हारे पास समय है. वो कहती है कि यह महंगा है. हम जानते हैं कि यह सच है.
And.
उसका मतलब है कि यह काम करता है.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the lines tomorrow, and let your memory do its sneaky little magic.